Before using your audio stream adapter for the first time, you need to configure it. This video shows you how to do that with an iOS Apple device.
Before pairing your audio stream adapter with your iOS device, download the latest version of the Audio Key app and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Make sure the audio stream adapter is turned off by removing it from your Rondo 3. Open the Audio Key app. Press the menu in the upper left corner and open Connectivity Options. Select Audio Stream and then Configuration. If you have one audio stream adapter, select the side you wear it on. If you have an audio stream adapter on each side, select both left and right. Tap Next. Check that your Rondo 3 is switched on. Plug the audio stream adapter into your Rondo 3. Place it next to your phone and tap Next again. If it fails to configure, move your Rondo 3 closer to your phone. Unplug the audio stream adapter, plug it in again, and press Try again. If you want to use an audio stream adapter on both sides, repeat the previous step with your second Rondo 3. Leave the first audio processor switched on while you do this. Next, enter a username with 7 or fewer letters. Only letters from the Latin alphabet can be used. Then tap Save. A Bluetooth pairing request screen will appear. Tap Pair. Repeat this for your second audio stream adapter, if you have one. Once it has paired successfully, tap OK. Exit the Audio Key app and go to the Settings on your iOS device. Scroll down and select Accessibility. Then Hearing Devices. Tap on the section under MFI Hearing Devices. After a few seconds, it will indicate that it is connected. Your audio stream adapter will connect automatically whenever it is plugged in and your phone has Bluetooth enabled.
Now you're ready to start streaming music and phone calls directly to your Rondo 3.